Now we are going to learn Kannada. Look here, I was going to London. If we want to speak this sentence in Kannada, we will use our reverse numerical method for learning Kannada. By using reverse numerical method, we have to find out subject at first. Here, subject is I. The Kannada word for I is Nanu. After finding subject, we should go directly at the end of the sentence. After that, we should come back. Here at the end of the sentence, there is London. Above one is London. The Kannada word for London is London. Look here. Nanu London. For to ge, London ge. For going Hokti da. Hokti. Hokti for was da. Hokti da. Look here. Nanu ಲಂಡನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದ ನಾನು 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 ಲಂಡನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದ ಲುಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ನಾನು ಲಂಡನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದ ನಾನು ಲಂಡನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದ Now what you have to do? You have to pause the video. And looking at this English sentence, I was going to London. You have to try to speak this sentence orally through Kannada language. And while trying orally, at that time, you should try to type this sentence in the comment box in Kannada. Such as, first you should write Nanu, N-A-N-U. After that, you should write here London, L-A-N, London. For to ge, G-E-Ge. Look here, Nanu, London, G-E-Ge. For going Hokti, H-O-G-A-T-I, Hokti. For was the, Hokti da, D-A, Hokti da. Such as, now pause the video and looking at this sentence, I was going to London. You have to try to speak this sentence in Kannada language and again till you get fluency 8 to 10 times. And while trying orally at that time, you should try to type this sentence in Kannada at the comment box. But you can't write the Kannada script. You should use Roman script, English script for writing such as Nanu, London, L-O-N-D-O, Ge, G-E. You should use Roman script. Now try yourself. The next sentence, look here, for Nanu, for I, Nanu. For London, London. L-A-N-D-O-N, London. For to Ge, London, Ge. For going Hokti, H-O-G-A-T-I, Hokti. For was the, Hokti da, Hokti da. ನಾನು ಲಂಡನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದ ನಾನು ಲಂಡನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದ ನಾನು ಲಂಡನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದ Ravi was asking about you. First you have to find out subject. Subject is Ravi. After finding subject, you should go at the end of the sentence. Here above end at the sentence, above one is you. The Kannada word for you is Nimma. Nimma for about ಬಗ್ಗೆ. Look here, Ravi, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. For asking ಕೇಳಿತು ಕೇಳುತ್ತು and for was the ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದ ರವಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ 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 ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದ Now what you have to do? You have to pause the video and looking at this English sentence Ravi was asking about you. You have to try to speak this sentence in Kannada language again and again 8 to 10 times till you get fluency. And while trying orally, you should try to type this sentence at the comment box. You should use Roman script for typing in Kannada, such as you should first write Ravi. After that, you should write the word. Kannada word for you is nimma. N-I-M-M-A. Nimma. For about ಬಗ್ಗೆ. B-A-G-G-E. ಬಗ್ಗೆ. For asking ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿ. K-E-T-L-U-T-I. ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿ. For was ida. ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ. D-ida. Such as now pause the video and looking at this English sentence, you should try to speak this sentence orally in Kannada language, and while orally trying, you should try to type this sentence in comment box in Kannada. Now start, pause the video and start to try yourself. Ravi, for you nimma. Nimma. For about ಬಗ್ಗೆ. Nimma ಬಗ್ಗೆ. For asking ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿ. ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿ. For was the. ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ. Look here. ರವಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ. ರವಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ. Megha was telling a story. Subject is Megha. Here at the end of the sentence there is a story. The Kannada word for a story, for a ಒಂದು. ಒಂದು means one. ಒಂದು. For story ಕಥಾ. ಒಂದು ಕಥಾ. ಒಂದು ಕಥಾ. For telling ಹೇಳು. ಹೇಳು. ತೀಳ. ಹೇಳುತ್ತೀಳ. ಹೇಳುತ್ತೀಳ. Look here. ಮೇಘ ಒಂದು ಕಥಾ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೀಳ. ಮೇಘ ಒಂದು ಕಥಾ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೀಳ. ಮೇಘ ಒಂದು ಕಥಾ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೀಳ. ಮೇಘ ಒಂದು ಕಥಾ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೀಳ. ಮೇಘ ಒಂದು ಕಥಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಳ. ಮೇಘ ಒಂದು ಕಥಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೀಳ. ಮೇಘ ಒಂದು ಕಥಾ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೀಳ. 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 Now what you have to do? You have to pause the video and looking at this English sentence, you should try to speak this sentence in Kannada orally 8 to 10 times, and while trying orally you should try to type this sentence in the comment box in Kannada. Now you should first write Megha, M-E-G-H-A. At the end of there is a story. Vandu katha. Vandu, O-N-D-U. Vandu katha, K-A-T-H-A. Katha. For telling ಹೇಳು, H-E-L-U. ಹೇಳು. T-I. For was ಳ. ಲೇಲಿಲ. ಮೇಘ ಒಂದು ಕಥಾ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೀಳ. ಮೇಘ ಒಂದು ಕಥಾ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೀಳ. Now pause the video, pause and try yourself to speak this sentence in Kannada and type in comment box. Start to type and speak. Start. Megha. A story. ಒಂದು ಕಥಾ. ಒಂದು ಕಥಾ. K-A-T-H-A. ಕಥಾ. For telling ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿ. ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿ. For was ಳ. ಹೇಳುತ್ತೀಳ. ಮೇಘ ಒಂದು ಕಥಾ 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 ಹೇಳುತ್ತೀಳ. My friend was talking about pollution. First we have to find out subject. Subject is my friend. The Kannada word for my friend is ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು. ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು. ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು. ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು. ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು. Here at the end of the sentence there is pollution. The Kannada word for pollution is maligna. Maligna. For about ಬಗ್ಗೆ. maligna ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಮಾತ್ ಆಡಾತು. ಮಾತ್ ಆಡಾತು. ಇದ. ಮಾತ್ ಆಡಾತು ಇದ. ಮಾತ್ ಆಡಾತು ಇದ. Look here. ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಮಲಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ ಆಡಾತು ಇದ. ಮಾತ್ ಆಡಾತು ಇದ. ಮಾತ್ ಆಡಾತು ಇದ. ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಮಲಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ ಆಡಾತು ಇದ. ಮಾತ್ ಆಡಾತು ಇದ. ಮಾತ್ ಆಡಾತು ಇದ. ಮಾತ್ ಆಡಾತು ಇದ. Look here. ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಮಲಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ ಆಡಾತು ಇದ. ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಮಲಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತ್ ಆಡಾತು ಇದ. ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಮಲಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡತಿದ. 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 Look here. For my friend, ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು. For pollution, ಮಲಿನ. ಮಲಿನ. For about, ಬಗ್ಗೆ. For talking, ಮಾತಾಡತು. ಮಾತಾಡಲಾತು. For was, ಇದ. ಮಾತಾಡತಿದ. ಮಾತಾಡತುದ. Look here. ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಮಲಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡತಿದ. ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಮಲಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡತಿದ. Now pause the video and looking at this English sentence, my friend was talking about pollution. You should try to speak this sentence orally in Kannada language. At that time, you should try to write this sentence in comment box such as ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಮಲಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡತುದ. You should try yourself. Now what you have to do? You have to pause the video and you should look at all these English sentences. You should not look at these Kannada sentences. You should look at these all English sentences. But while looking at English sentences, you should try to speak all these sentences in Kannada language, such as ನಾನು ಲಂಡನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದ. ರವಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದ. ಮೇಘ ಒಂದು ಕಥಾ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದ. ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಮಲಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡತಿದ್ದ. Now I will try again. Look. ನಾನು ಲಂಡನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದ. ರವಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದ. ಮೇಘ ಒಂದು ಕಥಾ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಿದ್ದ. ನನ್ನ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರು ಮಲಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡತಿದ್ದ. Now pause the video and looking at all these English sentences, you should try to speak all these sentences in Kannada language again and again till you get fluency. And we request you that those your friends who want to learn Kannada, please share this video with them. Subscribe our channel. I suggest your friends to subscribe our channel. And we have written a book named SP Challenge to Speak Kannada. If you want to learn Kannada perfectly and fluently, please send us an email to get the book SP Challenge to Speak Kannada. We will send you the soft copy, email copy of the book on your email address. You can read that book and learn Kannada perfectly and fluently. Thanks for watching our video. Thank you.